Welcome. I'd like to draw your attention to two lines that we have just got back into stock, which original pre-order, I think, online. We have in our take on the classic Harrington Jacket. So designed in Manchester for Manchester weather, as it absolutely rods it down up there. So perfect for this time of year when occasionally you might get caught short in a shower. So R1 has the classic yoke at the back. That's for rolling your shoulders when you play golf, and a bit of added ventilation. Also just looks better. A lot of the moody ones don't have it, you can spot it. So in stock, it's shower proof. We've got a lovely tartan lining and it comes in 4 colours. Pop buttons everywhere, we're really liking that one. You guys are as well. And we also have in the Nehru Collar waistcoat, or West as you might say, in the States. It's in our classic moleskin, which is the same as our trousers. It was apparently designed by an Indian Prime Minister, which I don't really know who he is, but it's good for the pub or the Indian Parliament, apparently, and it's a classic summer piece. So fill your boots, they're all online now.